Our performances, we'd like to introduce ourselves. Get in the zone!
Break!
Magandang gabi po, ako po si Pablo.
Magandang gabi po, ako si Josh. Moa Arena, I'm Stel.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Ken.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Justin, and we are
SB19! Hey, Sir Fam, kamusta naman kayo? Solid ba? Parang wala na silang energy, still wala na ata sila energy.
What is up, Moa Arena? Moa Arena, make some noise! Moa Arena, did you miss us? Oh, really? Did you miss us? We miss you guys too.
Woo! Grabe. What a very warm welcome for us, guys. Kakagaling lang namin ng tour and grabe yung sorpresa niyo para sa amin. We're very happy na makapag-perform ulit dito sa Pilipinas. Uy,
Ba't ka nag-iingit?
Pilipinas. Then, thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
18! 18! Na-miss niyo ba kami? To be honest, sobrang na-miss namin kayo. We've been in the US for 1 month. And we are really looking forward to, para makapag-perform ulit in front of you guys. And we are very happy na ganito yung energy ninyong lahat. Kaya maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal na pinapadama niyo sa amin. From before up until now, 18, maraming salamat. We love you guys, for sure.
Yes. Nag-enjoy ba, Moa Arena? Siyempre, bago po ang lahat, gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa bawat isa sa inyo na nandito ngayon. Napakagaganda at gagwapo niyo pong lahat. Thank you for coming here tonight. And we are so glad to share the stage, syempre, with other amazing artists. Kaya naman, maraming salamat din po, especially kay Ninang Acer, and for having this evening showcase, to showcase Filipino talents that always strive to break the limits.
Siyempre po, maraming salamat kay Ninang Acer. Kung wala si Ninang Acer, wala nang Acer Day. Okay ba yun? Busog na busog lahat ng tao ngayon. Siyempre gusto ko lang pasalamatan din yung